Okay, good morning, everyone. It's my great pleasure to present here today about a project which I've been working on day and night since February 22. Let's just say I've been raising another baby. I'm Marjan, the operations lead at Quantum Algorithm Institute, which is a startup with a mission to grow a strong quantum computing ecosystem in BC. Growing the ecosystem will be done through education, research, and commercial applications of quantum computing technology. When I joined QI in February 22, I had no background in quantum. I had been with the BC government for about 14 years, including energy and mines. I was appointed to lead the establishment and implementation of a new program to introduce BC as a world-leading research hub in quantum algorithms. It's only been recently that I've been referred to as a woman in quantum. Even now, speaking before all you incredible women, I can't help but feel like I don't belong. I'm sure that many women here can relate to that feeling. But I'm actually here to talk about how all women in all skill sets belong in the quantum field. Living within the quantum algorithms world for over a year, I have experienced that many different skills and abilities other than just science are needed to achieve our mission. Just like the tech industry, the quantum industry depends on a wide range of other skills. However, one important difference about quantum computing is that it is still incipient. So it is not ready just to be packed up and sold. Hence, other business elements need to accommodate the innovative nature of quantum tech in order to provide those unique opportunities. Let's create an industry that celebrates all types of women with diverse backgrounds, experiences, and skill sets, because we just can't get where we want to go without them. I know this because I've built QI's team from the ground up over the past year and have seen firsthand how every woman who joined the team impacted the success of the Institute. Throughout this journey, I have seen myself and my team transform into women in quantum. Today, I'd like to share that journey with all of you, with the hope that it will leave everyone here today feeling more confident and assured in your place in the quantum industry. Here's how QI began. Landon Downs, president and co-founder of One Qubit, and Nathan Nankivell from BC government identified opportunity. BC as the hotspot for quantum, with its large number of research universities, tech companies, and talent. However, the people working in quantum computing in British Columbia from industry, academia, and government are disconnected from one another. They speak different languages, and their organizations operate in vastly different ways. This disconnect prevents them from collaborating on their goals and undermines their shared mission to enhance the quantum computing sector in BC. Hence, QI was founded in March 2020 to bring these groups together and thereby harness BC's potential as a global leader in quantum computing. With QI, we have the opportunity to rebuild the tech ecosystem and talent pipeline for broad participation across BC and Canada. We can contribute to a diverse and talented workforce that drives an inclusive green economy for sustainable job growth in the tech sector. It's not very often that a group of 10 individuals as well respected and knowledgeable as our board of directors come together to join forces. Some of our directors are experts in quantum computing, but many different fields, both academic and commercial, are represented here. From reporting directly to these amazing people, I have learned that their collaboration and dedication to our mission have been one of the main drivers of QI's growth and success today. The board was solid, but business operations started as a blank slate. In the first year that QI was operational, it was essentially being run by 2 to 3 women. We did everything needed to get the business running in a way that embodied QI's values. Since QI's early days, we have onboarded 13 additional employees. We have been so fortunate to onboard such a talented team of young professionals, and their efforts and ideas are transforming QI into what it is today. Currently, QI is developing countless initiatives, partnerships, and products. We're establishing new departments and learning new things every single day. In the next few slides, I will tell you a little bit about the women who have been crucial in operating QI. Kayla is a CPA. She led our financial setup and got us through our first audit. Margaret is in her 3rd year commerce at the University of Victoria. Marissa is going to her 3rd year in business at UVic. Catherine is a 4th year student also at UVic. We're also planning our first workshop focused on the topic of optimizing shipping industry processes in September. Our workshops will allow the QI to create innovative quantum-based solutions to industry problems. We are happy to invite participation in this workshop from anyone in the audience today. If you're interested in getting involved, please do send us an email through the email on the slide here. Another important team member at QI is Serena. She's a 3rd year commerce student and also at UVic. She's developed our workshop content through her excellent research skills. Serena has no quantum background, but she's now considering pursuing a career in quantum since starting at QI. Her experience shows how technical roles in quantum industry don't necessarily require a quantum background. QI now has a partnership with MyTax and has started a quantum research internship program. We have onboarded 5 amazing grad students specializing in all areas of quantum. We continue to grow our internship and co-op programs. We're also looking to hire our first postdoc to our staff in September. Meet Sasha. She's a computer science engineer and quantum computing researcher. She's an incoming grad student at the University of Victoria. Adaline graduated from UVic last October. She's receiving her BA with honors. Her bachelor's thesis was in quantum computing, which will be her master's research as well. As you can see, over 70% of the operations work at QI is being done by young people in their 20s. These talented women have been crucial to QI's success. None of this would be possible without the continued contributions of all the QI's women, our co-op students and interns. The women at QI encompass a wide range of perspectives, and every one of them has been vital to QI. Finally, if there's one way to summarize what I've learned from our talented operations team, is this: trust young people, they won't let you down. I've said a lot today about QI's roots, where we came from, where QI is today, but where are we going? From the very beginning, QI's mission has been to draw from BC's potential to establish an applied quantum computing ecosystem, which is inclusive of a diverse group of participants. That mission hasn't changed. Today, we continue to envision a future where, as our quantum ecosystem grows, new possibilities for skilled jobs in new sectors grow too, which will foster economic development in the province as a whole. We continue to envision that by 2025, QI will be a global leader in producing world-class quantum computing professionals in research, education, and in the application of quantum computing technologies to real-world problems. But it is not 2025 yet. As you've seen throughout this presentation, QI has come a long way toward achieving our mission by consolidating the provincial government, BC's largest research institutes, as well as industry partners on the cutting edge of applied quantum computing. We've taken BC's potential, which before QI existed largely as islands separate from each other, and we have unified it under a common vision, thus setting the stage for a thriving quantum computing ecosystem. But we still have a long ways to go. The future of QI is connected to the future of BC. As QI grows, so too will new possibilities for research and economic development in BC. And let's not forget that as QI and the quantum computing sector in BC grow, so will the role of women in quantum. In terms of QI's own path towards its future goals, we know that women on our team will play an indispensable role in getting us where we need to go. Even beyond the walls of QI, we are already beginning to expand the role of women in the broader quantum workforce. By creating spaces for women of various skill sets in QI, not only in quantum research, but also in other aspects of our organization. As we build towards achieving our mission, we will not only continue to produce skilled women for the quantum workforce, but we'll also foster the growth of the quantum ecosystem for that workforce to populate. For QI, one of the key threads running through our development from our earliest days to where we are today has been our commitment to a culture of teamwork and collaboration. One thing I've learned is that QI truly is the team that makes it up. We need the ideas, contributions, and diverse perspectives of our team members in order to develop the strong and inclusive quantum computing ecosystem which we envision. QI would not be where it is today and will not be able to go where it wants to go without the efforts of the many women working tirelessly on our team. We at QI are just part of the story of the growing quantum industry, this industry which has the potential to change the world. Everyone here today is in some way a part of this story as well. And although every organization is different, the thread of teamwork and collaboration, which defines QI's culture, is something that truly believe is necessarily to achieve the vision which all of us here share. And that is the vision of a quantum computing ecosystem, which is inclusive of diverse skill sets, backgrounds, and perspectives. I mentioned at the start of my presentation that I've only recently begun to feel like a woman in quantum. That is because I, as a woman with no background in any quantum computing related area, had doubts about my place in this field. which is stereotypically dominated by male scientists. In this presentation, I've shown how my experience at QI has changed my perspective about women in quantum. I hope I've convinced you that as a field that's just emerging, there are opportunities for all women in the world of quantum computing. I am proud to help build the future of the quantum computing ecosystem, one that starts from the values of diversity and inclusion, and which recognizes the equal contribution that women of all skill sets bring to the table. Thank you for this amazing opportunity to share my journey with you today. I'd like to leave you with one final message, which summarizes what I have learned and which I hope you take with you on your own journeys. Trust your team, trust your vision, and trust yourself. Thank you.